Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with this wood picture frame that I got from Michael's. It was on clearance for $3. I'm going to start by just removing the backing, and I also saved the little back parts to it because I'm going to use that in my next DIY. Once I had those removed, I then went ahead and started painting this using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. To make the X's on the windows, I will be using some bamboo sticks that I got from Amazon. I am using 3 in total, 1 for each window. And I also painted these using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. Once I had them cut, I then glued these using some hot glue. And I'm going to do that to the rest of the windows. I'm going to set the window aside. Now I'm going to make a wreath using some Dollar Tree jute wire cord and some eucalyptus. This pick, I got it from Walmart for $1. I made a circle out of the cord, and now I'm going to just glue all the stems around the wreath. And I made it look thicker by gluing some more on the sides. Okay, now that I have my wreath, I'm going to add a bead and a hook to the window. I only added the bead so then the hook can be a little bit more towards the outside. And then I'm going to add this home sign that I already had at the bottom. The last thing I decided to do was just to paint more of the home sign because it was a little bit distressed. I just wanted this to be very white. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have liked this home decor window sign. For my next DIY, I will be using the little backs I removed from the picture frame. Now I'm going to make a large sign using this, so I'm going to use some large popsicle sticks and glue them to the back using hot glue. The next thing I will be doing is painting this using my Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. I did let this dry very good. Then the next thing I did was add some stickers. These leaf stickers come from a Dollar Tree wall decal, and the letters come from Michael's. These are old. I have been using these for a while, and I did run out of the letter R. So what I did to do an R is I used a P. From the same sticker sheet, I just cut a little piece off to finish the R. I then painted over using my Waverly chalk paint in the color white. I think this technique is called reversible stencils. I'm not sure. Using my Cricut tools, I'm going to remove the letters. Now I did struggle just a little bit because I did let this dry completely, so the stickers were like actually sticking to my sign, and that's one thing I recommend you not to do. Don't let it dry completely. Now I did bleed a little bit, but all I did was just fix it using a tiny brush. And that is it for this gather sign. I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to use one of these round circles. Now I got these from Amazon. 12 come in a pack for $20. I think it is a great buy. They are 12 inches. I'm going to make a welcome sign. So using some Dollar Tree painter's tape, I'm going to put 2 lines to make like a stripe in the center. And using some of these stickers, I'm going to put the word welcome. These stickers are from Michael's, but Dollar Tree carries stickers you can use instead. I was going to use them, but I just didn't have an E. So I decided to use these instead. Now I'm going to paint over them using the truffle. And this time I didn't let it dry completely. Using my little Cricut tools, I'm going to just remove the stickers. Does anyone else find it so satisfying removing the stickers? I am also going to remove the tape, and look how beautiful this looks. Now you can leave it like that, just kidding. No, but for real. The next thing I will be doing is adding some greenery. Now this eucalyptus pick is from Walmart. It cost me 97 cents. And I did cut 4 stems off. I did make sure that I left some of the stem a little bit long because I'm going to put 2 together going one way and then 2 the other way. And I'm going to use some jute string to tie them in the center. There is 2 ways you can add the greenery. You can glue it directly, or what I did is I made some holes using my drill. I made 1 at the top for the hanger and then 2 at the bottom close by, so like that I can put some string through them and I can tie the greenery. Oh, I forgot to mention I also made a bow using this white ribbon that I already had. But here's what I'm saying is I made the ribbon, I made the bow, and when I made the bow I made sure that the strings were long enough so where I can just put them through the holes I made and then tie this at the back. Like that I can use this all year round just by switching the greenery. The last thing I will be adding is a hanger. Now using some jute string and some beads that I already had. These are from Walmart. I'm going to just put them through the string and then tie them through the little hole I made on the sign. I also made like a little loop at the top so like that I can hang it. And that is it, guys. This was so easy and simple to do. For my next DIY, I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree planters. 3 come in a pack, but I'm only using 1. And one of these wood circles. These are from Hobby Lobby. 4 come in a pack for $2.99. And I'm using a Dollar Tree glass candle holder. I'm going to paint all of them using the Waverly chalk paint in the color truffle. And this is how they look once they're all painted. The next thing I will be doing is adding some nautical rope in the center of the candle holder. That is only because I'm going to glue this upside down and I want there to be some surface for this to adhere more to. Now I'm going to add a whole bunch of glue and glue it in the center. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to just add the planter on top of it. You can glue this if you want, I just chose not to. Then I'm going to add some greenery, and that is it for this planter. I think it turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.